Hello, today we're gonna open these gifts. Sadly, I already opened these two. This big pillow came from here. So, first, this one from Ray Cassidy. Wait, let me just open this. There. Okay, so let's see what's inside here. Ooh, cool, Nutri-Boost. I'll go try that later. I haven't tried it in a while. Yay, cupcake! Yay, a marshmallow! Yay, another marshmallow! Okay, so that is the first one. And also I got this squeezy. Look, if you squeeze it and then you let it go, it returns as its normal self. So it's pretty fun. Also, we got chocolate. I'll just go put that in the fridge later. Also, we got cookies. Open this. Open this. So here's everything. All in this pack. I'll go put that in my candy box later. We'll have this. Also, the last one was from you and Darcy. From Gia. Open this. Ooh. We got a plane. Also, there's instructions back here. Yay, I have one more spinny thingy. That's smaller. Let me try this out.
Yeah.
Cool. Huh?
You open the other gifts.
Wait. Let's go get that first.
Where's my glasses?
Cool. Gummies. Yay. Yay.
What did you get, bro?
Yay.
Ito na naman. Yeah.
Yay! I got jelly mallows.
Ano to? Diabetes?
Cool.
Hey.
What?
Uy.
What?
Look what I got. Cool.
We're gonna get it in one day.
Yay! One more. And this. Ice cream. Huh?
What's this? Uy, squishy.
You open the other gifts na. Your video's getting long.
Ice cream. I got a Pokemon bar. Yay! Pokemon bar.
There's one more here. Oh.
What's this?
What's that?
Oh, it's from the
That one
restaurant.
with the stripes.
What does this work?
Don't do that. So let's open this. Also, this is from Teresa. table. Eh,
And there's one more there, huh?
yeah, that's the. Look, I got the pool table. What's this? This.
There's one more. There, at the back.
Ooh, this. Alone candy. Oh, I know these. So that's everything that Zia has to offer.
What's this?
That's why I got.
Wow.
I got that tiny notebook from
Hey.
Elise. Another tiny notebook from Elise.
Is that the last one?
Oh, I got this from Teacher John. Thank you, Dragon John. Yay! Also, this is from Rihanna, aka Beam. Let's go open. Oh, I got a tiny electric fan. Yay!
Let's put that inside the car. Is that the last one?
Wait,
All good?
wait, I'll give it back. I just throw this away.
There's one more at the back of the pillow.
Oh yeah, you mean this?
At the back of the yellow pillow.
You mean this?
Hmm.
I forgot to tell you also. I told you that I already opened this, but still yummy. I only taste like I think the haba baba.
All good?
Wait, I'll just go to the 7-Eleven.